Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this reading is for fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ayan. Take only what resonates ha. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Normal yan kasi hindi ito personal reading. So kung gusto mo, pwede ka naman magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, sa TikTok. Ayan. Friend ko yun guys, hindi ako yon. Ako hindi po ako nagpa-personal reading, pero nagpa-palm reading po ako. If you would avail yung bracelet na binibenta ko po doon sa TikTok, crystals bracelet specifically. Ayan, may mga free yan na palm reading. So, check it out na lang po. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. Okay, one more card, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here wish, commitment, ascension, and racing. Wow. For some, nakakita ko dito ng person na parang panay-panay ang biyahe, ha. I don't know, maybe lagi kang anong tawag dito? Nagko-commute or lagi kang nagda-drive. Maybe ganon. Anyway, take only what resonates. Sa nakikita natin, there's this event in your life na magiging pangmatagalan, no? And wag mo to, hindi ko nakikitang maiiwasan mo to eh. This is something na kailangan mong harapin. Medyo magkakaroon ng delays, medyo mabagal, but I can see that this is what you're hoping for. This is what you're wishing for. Gusto mo to, pero hindi ko nakikita sa'yo yung excitement. Maybe gusto mo to sa tamang panahon, sa tamang pagkakataon. Hindi ko nakikita nagmamadali ka. Maybe gusto mo to, pero ayaw mo na may tinatago. If you are single, nakakita ako ng long-term relationship na paparating sa'yo. Okay? But, if you're in a relationship, there's something here na parang malaking pagbabago ang maibibigay sa'yo. Or malaking pagbabago ang mangyayari sa'yo, about to come. And maybe, hindi mo to maiiwasan. Okay, you do have your access granted and pretending. Alien is here. Some of you would wish na parang sana hindi na lang to totoo. Kasi may mga ibang taong involved eh. And maybe you are not yet ready. Ganun. So, let's move on to other messages for fire sign, please. Other messages for fire sign. Other messages for fire sign, please. Other messages for fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Thank you for watching, guys. Sana mag-comment kayo sa baba. Kahit heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay sa akin, guys. Oh. Nakakaramdam ako ng energy ng someone na laging nanonood ng tarot reading din. Pero it's a different tarot reader yung nakita ko. It's weird, no? So, I don't know, maybe may iba ka pang tarot reader na pinapanood. And or maybe you have a friend then also a tarot reader. Anyway, take only what resonates. Isa ka. I just saw the sign of Virgo, so you could be dealing with a Virgo. I'm seeing a friend or a person. This could be a friend or part of your family na nakikita natin na problema. But you are there as an advisor. You are there as a support. So, ipakita mo lang yung support dito sa taong to. Hindi mo kailangan mangamba kasi hindi niya kailangan mangamba kasi nandyan ka eh. Para supportahan ng taong to. Siya yung namomblema. Nakikita natin nalulungkot siya, namomblema siya. Hindi pa siya handa. But you are ready. I'm feeling like you are ready. Or you are there para sa kanya. So, ipakita mo yung support mo dito sa taong to. Whatever this new beginning para dito sa taong to, magiging masaya ang lahat dito afterwards, okay? For fire sign, please. For fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Para sa mga fire sign. Messages for fire sign, please. For fire sign, wala shuffle. Okay. For fire sign. Okay, you do have here the 8 of, this is the 5 of Wands. 10 of coins. Oh, wow. Queen of Cups and the 4 of coins. May mga tao nagtatangka na makuha kung ano yung mga mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. Either way ha, pwedeng kasi may utang ka sa kanila, gusto nila mabalik yung utang mo, parang ganon. Or, may mga taong naiingit sa'yo and gusto nila makuha kung ano yung mga meron ka, parang ganon. Pero you are protected. Protektado ka. And, I can see, yung mga may utang dyan, magaling kang magtago, magaling kang mag-pretend. Okay, and magtago. So, I don't know if that's a good thing. Especially kung ikaw yung may kasalanan, ikaw yung may cargo. But anyway, the 10 of coins, I can see a lot of money sa'yo. Yun na nga, kung may mga taong naiinggit sa'yo, hindi nila makukuha kung ano yung mga meron ka kasi protektado ka. The Queen of Cups is here. There's a good news. I can see good news or maybe an offer. Tell me about the offer na paparating kay fire sign. Wow, this is the Sun. This could be an offer or a good news. Knight of Wands. Ayan, nakakita tayo dito ng honesty. Nakakita tayo dito ng happiness. So, this is really a good news. And, ayun nga, pwedeng it's, for some of you, it's a news about pregnancy or what, or news about, someone na pwedeng magkakaroon ng challenge or trabaho or career na medyo challenging para sa kanya. Nakikita nga natin yung support mo dito sa taon to, sa mga taon to. So, you do have here the Moon, yan, and the Knight of Swords, and the High Priestess. Oh, wow. You are going to be a part of this. Magiging parte ka na kung ano man itong news na ito. And this is something very stable. Maybe a news or regarding maybe regarding a wedding or something. Magiging part ka noon. Or about love. Tell me about love for fire sign. Any messages pagdating sa love? Oh, wait lang. I will use this card first. I will use this card. Messages regarding love. One last shuffle. Para sa mga fire sign, mga message patungkol sa love. Para sa mga fire sign. Okay. Yeah, you do have your genuine certain love. Napakaganda yan. And desire. There's sexual connection here. If you are in a relationship, nakakita tayo ng totoong pagmamahalan dito. If you're single, sabi ko nga, a new commitment. New commitment ng pangmatagalan ang nakikita natin sa iyo. And you do have your bounty hunters. Yan. And you do have your lost. Whatever is going to end here with the lost, pwedeng may kinalaman yon sa either family. So, yeah, some of you pwedeng may pag-move out, may pag-alis, may paglilipat, or may paglayo. But, yung iba sa inyo with the bounty hunter, I can see na you will be with someone else na parang kung magkakaroon man ng paglayo, hindi ka nag-iisa. You will be with someone else. May paglilipat tayo nakikita dito, and maybe with the person that you love. Okay, and more messages for love. Ten of Swords. Yeah, the Ten of Swords is about an ending. This is about an ending. And you do have here the Temperance. Wow, it's a beautiful ending. Maaaring ito yung matagal mo nang hinihintay or matagal nang nakalaan talaga para sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.